Hello and welcome to my course on fundamentals of Python for scientific computing with the introduction to Python and integrated development environment. In this session, we will embark on journey to explore the fundamental concept of Python programming language and discover the tools that make development in Python efficient and enjoyable. Throughout this lecture, we will explore understanding the Python, its capabilities and applications, the advantages of Python, explore Python's feature, integrated development environment, IDE, and overview, recommended IDEs for Python programming. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has gained widespread popularity due to its versatility and ease of use. Python is not just a tool for one specific task, it is a Swiss Army knife for programmers capable of building a wide array of tasks across various domains. Let's explore some of the key areas where Python shines brightly. First application of the Python is in the web development. Python, accompanied by framework like Django and Flask, is widely favored in the realm of web development. Its simplicity and robustness make it real for building everything from simple website to complex web applications. We can use Python in data analysis and visualization. Python is a powerhouse when it comes to data analysis and visualization, thanks to the libraries like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. Handling and visualizing the data become a breeze. Whether it is a crunching number or creating insightful visualization, Python has got you covered. Also, we can use Python in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python's extensive libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn have made its go-to language for machine learning and artificial intelligence projects. Its ease of use and versatility have contributed significantly to its dominance in this field. We can use Python in scripting. Python's clean syntax and cross-platform support make it an excellent choice for scripting tasks. There is a lot of application of Python in game development. Believe it or not, Python is also making its mark in the realm of game development. Libraries like Pygame and Panda 3D empower developers to create a game efficiently and make Python an attractive option for rapid prototyping and indie game development. We can use Python in desktop GUI application. Last but not least, Python is not just for the web and backend development. It is also capable building desktop GUI application with rich user interface. Libraries such as Kinter, PyQt, and Vex Python provide the necessary tools to create intuitive desktop applications. We can use Python in the web scripting. Python's prowess in web scripting is we can efficiently extract data from website, empowering us with valuable information. Harnessing Python's built-in libraries such as Socket and Request opens up the world of possibilities in network programming. Whether it is building servers, client, or integrating with APIs, Python stands as a reliable ally. Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal choice for teaching programming concepts, and from introductory courses to advanced studies, Python's approachability nurtures a deeper understanding of coding principles. We can use Python for scientific computing. The scientific community relies heavily on Python, leveraging libraries like SciPy and SymPy for the myriad of tasks, from conducting numerical simulations to delving into the symbolic mathematics. Python serves as cornerstone in scientific endeavors. As we delve into the world Python, we uncover its rise and becoming one of the most sought after languages in the field. Let's explore the factor contributing to its widespread adoption. Python's intuitive syntax and simplicity make it incredibly accessible for beginners and seasoned programmers alike. Its readability fosters quicker comprehension and implementation of code, facilitating a smoother learning curve. Python's versatility is unmatched, from web development to data analysis, artificial intelligence to scientific computing. Python finds application across a plethora of domains. Its flexibility allows developers to tackle diverse projects efficiently. The Python community is vibrant and supportive, with an extensive array of resources, forums, and online communities. Developers have ample opportunities for collaboration, learning, and problem solving. This collaborative spirit fosters growth and innovation within the Python ecosystem. Python's compatibility across different platforms, including Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux, eliminates the hassle of platform specific development. This portability ensures that Python code can be seamlessly deployed across various operating systems, enhancing its appeal to developers worldwide. Python's scalability make it an ideal choice for projects of varying scales, whether it is a small script or a large-scale enterprise application. Python's robustness and scalability enable developers to build and maintain projects efficiently, adapting to evolving requirements seamlessly. Python's open source nature promotes collaboration, innovation, and accessibility with the vast array of libraries, framework, and tools available under open source license. Developers can leverage and contribute to a rich ecosystem of the resource, driving continuous improvement and innovation. There are several features of Python. For very first is simple and readable syntax. Python boasts a syntax that prioritizes readability and simplicity. Its clear and concise structure minimizes the cost of program maintenance and development. This characteristic make Python an excellent choice for beginners and seasoned developer alike. And second most important, dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, meaning variable type and determined at runtime. This feature enhances coding speed and flexibility, as programmers are not required to declare variable type explicitly. Third most important, interpreted languages. Python operates as an interpreted language, executing code line by line through the Python interpreter. This approach facilitates rapid development and testing, allowing developers to quickly iterate and debug their code. Python is object-oriented programming paradigm, enable the creations of reusable and modular code. This feature encourages a structured approach to software development, enhancing code organizing and maintainability. One of Python's strength lies in its extensive standard library. These libraries provide a wide range of modules and functions for various tasks, reducing reliance on external dependencies and simplifying development. Python is considered as high-level language, abstracting away from low-level details and system-level intricacies. This abstraction allows developers to focus on problem solving rather than getting bogged down in implementation details. Seventh and last is portability. Python code exhibits high portability, meaning it can be executed on different platforms without modification. This platform independencies adds to Python's versatility and accessibility across various environments. What is an IDE and why it is required is very crucial. An IDE, or integrated development environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. These facilities typically includes a source code editor, build automation tools, debugger, and various other features tailored to aid the development process. Here are some key components of the IDE. An IDE typically comprises several key components, allows programmers to write, edit, and manage their source code efficiently. IDE facilitates the process of compiling code, managing dependencies, and executing build tasks. It enables programmers to identify and resolve errors and bugs in their code through debugging functionalities. Additional features such as version control integration, code refactoring tools, and syntax highlighting enhance productivity and code quality. The main purpose of an IDE is to streamline the software development process by providing all necessary tools within a single graphical user interface. This integration minimizes the need to switch between multiple applications, thereby enhancing productivity and efficiency. Let's discuss about some popular IDE that are widely used by developers. Very first is Google Colab. Colab-based IDE primarily used for Python development, offering collaborative coding feature and access to power computing resources. Second one is PyCharm, a versatile IDE specifically designed for Python development, featuring advanced code analysis, debugging, and integrated unit testing capabilities. Third is Spider, a scientific computing IDE tailored for data science and scientific programming in Python, equipped with features such as various Explorer and integrated IPython console. Next is Visual Studio Code, or in other words, we can say sometimes VS Code, a lightweighted and customized IDE supporting multiple programming languages with extensive extensions and integration available for enhanced functionality. Jupyter Notebook is also very useful for the Python, which is an interactive computing environment ideal for data analysis, visualization, and sharing of code and results, supporting various programming languages, including Python. Thony, a beginner-friendly IDE designed for learning and teaching Python programming, feature a simple and intuitive interface. Last one is Anaconda Navigator, an IDE bundled with the Anaconda distribution, provide access to a wide range of Python packages and tools for scientific computing and data analysis. In conclusion, integrated development environment play a crucial role in simplifying and enhancing the software development process by providing programmers with a unified platform equipped with the essentials tool and features. So these are basic IDE which we can use while learning the Python, and this will help us to write the script files, and we can save them for future use. And thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.